Hey guys, Dennis here from Instant Web Tools. I have 11 years of experience doing search engine optimization, web design, web hosting, and website maintenance. Make sure that your website is up to date and there's no malware or anything that can hinder your ranking on Google. So my team and I is working and providing services, those services that I mentioned, to our clients. Now, today we are gonna take a look on the audit of this live website here. So, the reason why we do the audit so that we can improve their website ranking higher in Google, because every company, there's thousands and thousands of dollars spending in a monthly basis trying to rank into position number one of Google. And there's millions of websites is doing that, and they're hiring agencies and people that provide those type of services. Now, our unique team would work day and night to have a better result for your website, and not only your website but also your Google My Business as well. Now, before we dive into a live audit, let me show you what the result we provide. So this is a real client and the real people. Okay, so let's start with their website. Now, their website is, when we start their website, they are only ranking for the name of the keyword, the name of their company. But now you can see here that they're ranked number one on this specific keyword. Ranked number one, position number one in Google for this keyword right here, and number one on the keyword here as well. So you got good result, and you have this visibility position here at the same time. Now, next is the competitions. Now, the more visible you are, your competitors would be declining their position in Google. So you can take a look that competitions are, negatives point 7.5 declined. And so what we're going to do is to make your website improve and perform better so that people, when searching on that specific keywords, every like no, it doesn't matter what niche you are in, business or industry, we could cater or serve that specific or multiple keywords you want to rank, to be able to rank higher on search engine. Okay. And so that's the beauty of it. And if you live in the bigger city, because since your website is ranking, now you can have this analytics right here. As you can see, we have 36,000 clicks, and they have like 3.7 million impressions. So if you're in the bigger city and you own those keywords on that specific industry, you position yourself to be ranked number one, position number one on Google, and that's the beauty about it. And so now let's go to Google My Business, because that's important. A lot of people are asking like, why are Google My Businesses not showing? Um, we optimize those keywords, but it's still not showing. So let me show you here. Okay, so this company here, they are position number five. So basically, when you only have three, okay, on Google My Business, you have to click the show more to be able to show this visibility. So they're not visible in first Google Map. Okay. After 3 weeks of working, optimizing with them, see the result here. from position five to position number one in these keywords right here. So that's one thing that we can show you how important it is to have an audit. And by the way, as you listening or watching this video, you can put your link, your website underneath in the comment so that my team and I can have audit and we will send you the link, the what else we can improve to your website. Now let's dive in to a live audit in the first place. Okay, this website is from Cincinnati and eBay testing inspect home inspector. So one thing that you can see here in the user interface is that they could use any design, right? Would you agree? So any design you can have for their um, user to have a beautiful, design. So if you click on contact us, okay, go to contact us, that's good. Now, every time you have the phone number, it has to be clickable to phone number. If you have an email here as well, make sure that it's clickable because people are not gonna copy and paste that to their phone or dial it. Okay. They're not going to manually dial it. They're just going to click it. So I suggest for user experience purposes, which is Google is the biggest fun of it. If your website is like you have to increase your user experience on the website so that Google, that's part of the ranking factors. And in a previous video that I made is I spill out 200 plus ranking factors from Google algorithm so that you can have a better result on your website. Now, if you have address here, again, you have to connect it to your Google Maps so that people that is using the phone they can just click on it. So right now, let's see the obvious here. Let's scan it. As you can see here, it's now their ACO score. It's only 78, and meta description is missing, which is very important. Any search engine need this meta description because the way they read and it's just different than a human that you can see it in the front end. Okay, you have to set this one on the back end, right? There is image here that is not named alternative text. Now, alternative text is the way the machine or search engine machine would actually read that specific image. So you have to put that. SEO friendliness, why it's flagged? It's because there's no relevant keywords really on that specific website. Now, let's go here. Let's just say the obvious. Okay, so this website here that we improve as well, their website is 56. Okay, so they are missing the title tag, H1 structure, images not being optimized, and we make this one from 56 to 91. So that's a big improvement right there. It's green. And so that's one thing that we can do for you. Also, we would like, again, your website is, you have to show your authority. And to show your authority, you have to be unique enough. Now, and my team can provide hundreds of articles or content for you in a monthly basis. And we're providing that to those company that wants to rank in Google so that it's visible. Now, the more visible you are in Google, that one thing that can do for you is the more clicks you have, the more visitors you have, the more you're gonna have increase your sales. Okay. And they take note. The more people visit your website because you're visible in Google, you're gonna have more buying customers, potential buying customers on your services or products that you sell. So online presence is very important. Now, for the sake of time, guys, next video I'm going to do also with social media, how to optimize your social media post. And if you have your own company or you're working on a specific company and you don't know if their website is optimized or not, drop the link below. And the next session that we're gonna do is we're going to include that in our video. So thank you guys. And again, if you would like to have um, web hosting, if your web hosting company sucks, then it's time for you to move because our server perform better, 10 times better than any other shared hosting company. And so we also do a maintenance. If your website never been updated before, content, it's either content or software that it's just like sit in there doing nothing instead of selling for you, then it's time for you to upgrade, made a changes. So thank you guys. Put a comment below any company or if you have a company that you want to have our team do a audit on that, it's free. Please feel free.